In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets. VLOOKUP is one of the most powerful functions available in spreadsheet software that allows you to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in a table. Although its name stands for vertical lookup, we're interested in finding information associated with a value in one column by searching for that value in another column. It's incredibly useful for anyone working with large datasets and needing to retrieve information quickly. To begin, let's open a Google Sheet. If you don't already have it open, just head over to your Google Drive, click on New, and then select Google Sheets. This will create a blank document where we can start practicing this powerful tool. Once your document is ready, go to cell H2. Here, we're going to type in the VLOOKUP formula. Start by typing an equal sign, which tells Google Sheets that you're entering a formula. Now type VLOOKUP and open the parentheses. The syntax of the formula is crucial. You will write VLOOKUP A11, A2, E21 to false. Let's break this down. The VLOOKUP function consists of four main parts. The first part, A11, is the search key. This is the value that you're trying to find in the dataset. It could be a product code, an employee ID, or any unique identifier appropriate for your search function. The second parameter, A2, E21, is the range. This is the table array you are searching within. It's important to ensure that this range includes the column containing the search key and also the column containing the data that you want to retrieve. Make sure your data range is accurate by selecting the correct columns and rows. The third parameter, in our case 2, represents the index of the column you want to return data from. It's crucial to remember that this is not a reference to the column name, but rather the number of columns over from your search column. So here, 2 indicates that you want to retrieve data from the second column of your selected range. Finally, the last parameter, false, is for specifying the type of match. By using false, you're saying that you want an exact match. If you were interested in an approximate match, you would use true instead. However, for most cases, a precise match is what you're after. When you finish structuring the formula, hit the Enter key. This action will execute the VLOOKUP and return the corresponding value from your specified table. Make sure to double-check your formula if it doesn't work as expected. Common mistakes include wrong cell references or an incorrect range. By mastering VLOOKUP, you'll be able to effortlessly navigate and extract essential data from your spreadsheets in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more confident using VLOOKUP in Google Sheets.